Welcome to another tutorial session on WeShop AI. Today, I'll show you how to use WeShop AI's Magic Eraser tool to remove unwanted items in seconds. First, on the WeShop AI platform, find Magic Eraser in the left sidebar. Click to open it. Then, click Upload Image and select the photo you want to clean. Next, click Edit Unwanted Area to enter the edit page. Choose the Paint Brush tool. It's how you mark the object you want removed. On the right side, there's a slider to adjust brush size. Paint over the item you wish to remove, say a bag, necklace, background object. You don't need to be super precise. The Magic Eraser's AI will detect the edges and blend everything smoothly. Once the AI finishes processing, you'll see the generated images on screen. Preview them, and when you're happy with it, click Generate. And that's how you use WeShop AI's Magic Eraser tool to quickly remove unwanted objects from your photos and create clean, professional visuals focused on your main subject. No complex Photoshop skills required, no long editing sessions.